Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the address bar location in Firefox, the latest version of Firefox. This is somewhat of an update video to that of a previous video that I made involving the new update to Safari in iOS 15, where Apple changed the location of the address bar by default. That is basically a similar thing that's going to be happening here. So we're going to be showing how to change the address bar location in Firefox this time. So to do that, let's go ahead and jump into Firefox here. And right now you can see the Firefox address bar is at the top, just like we all have been used to. But if we jump over here into settings, right here, and then we scroll kind of down just a little bit, you'll see a section right here called Toolbar. If we tap on that, you get two options. You have one called Top and one called Bottom. So currently in the latest version of Firefox, Bottom is actually going to be the new default. If we click on Bottom and jump back out here, you're going to see the address bar is now at the very bottom of the screen, right above the action buttons, as well as the back and forward buttons right there. And like I said, so that is the default position that Firefox has put the address bar in the latest versions of Firefox. But again, like myself, some people may not like the address bar to be at the bottom. They might just like the old way of doing it and having the address bar at the top of the screen. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope I helped you guys out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.